I'm gonna show you how to crochet this very nice blouse. This blouse is made of two stitch patterns. One is here below, transparent one, you see. And then we have another stitch pattern here above, which is a full stitch. Okay, shell stitch and full stitch. And I will give you all the instructions step by step to do it in all sizes. So let's go directly to the tutorial. It's very easy and quick to do. Bye! For this project I'm using 6 balls of this cotton, 50 grams each ball, and a hook number 4.5 millimeters. This stitch is a multiple of 6 plus 1. So for any additional size, of course, you have to add 6 chains to the chains I did for my size, which is a medium. For this project, we start from the back side. Since I have used black color, which is not so visible, I will show you the stitch using a lighter color. We are starting from the back side, so for a medium size I'm going to do a foundation chain of 73 chains using a crochet hook 4.5. So after my foundation chain is ready, one chain more to turn my work, and in the second chain from the hook I'm going to do single crochet in each stitch across the row like that. Okay, first row, one single crochet in each stitch across the row. Now for the second row, chain 1 and turn your work. In the very first stitch I'm going to do single crochet 1. Okay, now yarn over and skipping the next 2 stitches into the third one, I'm going to do double crochet 1 and then into the same stitch double crochet 2, like that. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and into the same stitch another double crochet 2, 1 and 2. Skip next 2 stitches and into the third one single crochet 1, like that. This is my first shell. Now repeat always the same. Yarn over, skip next 2 stitches, into the next one double crochet 2, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and into the same stitch again double crochet 2. Skip next 2 stitches and into the next one single crochet 1. And now repeat the same all across this row. At the end of the row, of course, I have a single crochet. Now for the third row, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, turn my work and single crochet into the chain 3 space I have of the previous round, like that. Again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, double crochet into the single crochet of previous round, chain 3 again, single crochet through the chain 3 space of previous round, and go ahead like this till the end of this row. Chain 3, double crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, double crochet. Go ahead like that till the end of this row. End of row 3. Now from here, chain 1, turn your work into the same stitch of the chain, this very first stitch, single crochet 1, and now yarn over into the single crochet of previous round, double crochet 3, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, and again into the same space, double crochet 3, 1, 2 and 3, into the double crochet of previous round, single crochet 1, like that. And I'm going to repeat this sequence, this full shell, you see, because we have one row with a quite empty shell and one row with a full shell like that. Now I'm going to repeat this full shell till the end of this row. So again, double crochet 3, 2 and 3, chain 1, again into the same stitch, double crochet 3, 2 and 3, single crochet into the double crochet of previous round. Go ahead like that till the end of this row. End of row 4. Now from here, chain 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5, turn my work, and now repeat what you did at row 3, exactly the same. So 1 single crochet into the center of the below shell, into the chain 1 space, single crochet 1, chain 3, double crochet into the single crochet of previous round, chain 3, single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 3, double crochet into the single crochet of previous round, and go ahead like this, exactly like you did at row number 3 till the end of this row. Okay, row number 5 is ended. Now we have always to repeat this sequence: row number 2, row number 3, row number 4 and 5. So repeat 2, 3, 4 and 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5 till we reach the height of 30 centimeters. Okay, you should go ahead with this stitch made of shells till you reach this length, about 11 inches and 28 centimeters. Okay, when you reach this length you have to change stitch, making, you see, one round of all single crochet and then 1 round of half double crochet. Now I will show you how, using a lighter color so that you can see it better. So, okay, after 29 rows with this stitch, now you have to change and work with half double crochet and single crochet. So this will be row number 30. Chain 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet into the very first stitch of this row. Now you have 3 chains space. Into this space you are going to do 1 and 2 single crochet. Now you have skip one of these 3 chains and go directly into the single crochet, next single crochet, and do single crochet 1. Now again into the 3 chains space you are going to do 1 and 2 single crochet, and now go directly into the next double crochet and do single crochet 1. So row number 30 will be made of all single crochet, 2 single crochet into the 3 chain space, and then single crochet 1 into the single and double crochet you made. Okay, at the end of row number 30, if you did my size, which is a medium, you have 73 single crochet. Now row 31, chain 1, turn your work, 1 half double crochet into the very first stitch of this row, and now all half double crochet in each stitch across the row for having totally 73 half double crochet. Row number 32. Now we have to do double crochet and 1 chain space. So chain 2, turn your work. These 2 chains count as a double crochet, so another chain as separation, yarn over, skip next stitch, into the next one, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 1 into the next one, like that. Now chain 1, skip 1 stitch, double crochet 1 into the next one, and another double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and now into the next 2 stitches, double crochet 2. Go ahead like this till row number 33. Chain 1, turn your work, and now from row number 33 till up to row number 37, you will have to do for each row half double crochet 73, like that. You do that till row number 37. 1 half double crochet in each stitch across the row. Row number 38. Now we have to do the 2 armholes for each side. 1 armhole, 2nd armhole. So we have to skip 5 stitches for each side. 5 stitches at the beginning and 5 stitches at the end. We have 2 ways. We can cut our yarn now and restart working after 5 stitches with a new yarn, or we can simply do that 5. I can reach the starting point of this new row, slip stitching in each stitch across the row 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These 5 stitches will be left from now to the end of my work, and another slip stitch for going into the 6th stitch, and from here chain 1 and into the same stitch the first half double crochet, so that I know I restart working in the central part of my back side, leaving 5 stitches at the beginning and 5 stitches at the end for the 2 armholes. When I reach the end of row number 38, you see I'm leaving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches not work, and directly turn my work, making just 1 chain, turn my work, and start working only into these stitches, doing half double crochet in each stitch across the row till the end of my sweater. Okay, now we start one of the 2 halves for the front size. So you have to make a foundation chain of 40 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for some sizes you will have for the front side also the half shell stitch, because if you add 3 chains to your foundation chain instead of 6, it could happen for some sizes that you have at the beginning of the row a half shell. So how can you do this half shell? This way is very simple. So chain 2 into the very first stitch, double crochet 2, skip next 2 stitches and into the next one single crochet 1, and you have done an half shell. This half shell is the same for this shell stitch and also for this one, which is a little more empty than the first the first kind, okay, the first pattern. So this half shell is valid for both. Okay, for my size, which is a medium, you see I have added 3 chains at my foundation chain, and I have this half shell. Also, when you are doing next row, and so this kind of bridge over the shell. At the end of the row you will have chain 3 and finish with 1 single crochet into the second chain of the beginning, like that. Okay?